In this lecture, we're gonna learn about WordPress, and then after I will be installing WordPress on our domain name. If we look back in 1990 or 2000, to develop a website, we had to write codes and make the website with 100% manual work. But thanks to WordPress, as it gives you the flexibility to design and develop your entire Amazon affiliate website without writing a single line of code and without having any prior knowledge of programming. WordPress is basically a tool through which we can use the drag and drop mechanism to design and develop your entire website quickly. Even I have wrote a detailed article on my blog why WordPress is better than other CMS. So if you would like to know, go to my blog and the link has been provided in this lecture as a resource. Alright, let's jump to WordPress installation process. So in order to install WordPress, go to hostgator.com and here we can see customer login. Just click on it. Now you need to log into the portal. So just click on portal login. Now enter your email address that you had used during the sign up process. Now you need to enter the password that you had created into the previous lecture. At last, click on login. So this is the dashboard of your HostGator account. Just hover on manage orders and you can click on list or search options menu. Here we go. Now here you will be seeing your domain name that you have selected into the previous lecture. So just click on your domain name and this will redirect you to the Cpanel screen. Cpanel is another screen from where we can install WordPress onto the domain name as well as we can manage the other things. So here we can see manage hosting. Just click on it. Alright, so this is the file manager where all your website files get stored. This is the FTP account which is used to access this file manager and the other things onto the hosting. Here we can see site software. Maybe you can also see Softaculous or WordPress into your Cpanel screen. So this is basically called a Cpanel screen. I'm just clicking on site software. Alright, now it shows me WordPress. So I'm just clicking on it. As this is my baby plan, so I have more than one websites already installed. Now in order to make a fresh installation, we can simply click on this install. Maybe you would be getting a different type of a screen, but that's okay. The process is same. Now click on show advanced configuration. Alright, so from this entire list, we will be selecting our domain name. So I'm just going to use one of my temporary domain, that is themagicrooms.com. Make this second box empty. Do not put anything in this box. This box is basically called a directory box. Let's scroll down. You will be seeing a username and the password section. This is very important. In the admin username, you can create a secure username. For example, I'm just creating like Saddam7865. And admin password, I'm just going to create one demo password as well. These login details will be used in order to access your WordPress dashboard. So please do not share these login details. Email, you can put your own personal email so that in case if you forget the password, the reset link will be sent to this email address. Blog name and blog description. We can change it later on. Do not worry, blog or website is almost same. Initially, WordPress was developed for the blogging purpose, so that's why it is showing over blog, and this blog name and blog description can be changed later on. At last, click on install. So this will take couple of seconds to install WordPress onto your domain name. You will be seeing a admin URL and username and password, something like this, once the installation process is completed. So in order to log in into your WordPress dashboard, you need to go to this URL. So make a copy somewhere else on your desktop, and this username and password can be used to log in into your WordPress dashboard. Thank you.